Hey everyone, I'm sharing with you how to make another useful thing that you can have in your sewing room. The very simple, I have to cut two main fabric that I use a star here, and this is the right side and it's the wrong side, and I already placed the right side to the right side, wrong side to facing out, and the side of this is 8.5 inches by 12 inches long. And I also cut two lines in fabric exactly the same size, and I already placed the right side facing the right side, and I have cut in here that 2.5 inches square, and I just go around the corners. I'm gonna mark the corner here so I can box this sometime when I do sewing, and then when I have a little fabric and I want to save it, I can just put it in here. It's very useful. So you're gonna cut this out, and then you're going to place on the main side and do exactly the same cutting. This is cute, easy to make too. Everyone can do this. You can do just the square if you want to do by 10 by 10 or whatever, 6 by 8, 6 by 9. It depends on how you like it. I like it like this. I like it like that. It's weird looking, but for this one right here, you're gonna sew a 1/4 of an inch on the right and on the bottom, on the left, on the main side, and then on the lining piece you're going to sew the top down, and then you're going to leave about 2 inches. So a 1/4 of an inch, go down, stop, leave this open, going down, and then on this bottom sew it close a 1/4 of an inch, and on the side sew all the way. That for the body of the box. And here I have two, one of the main and one lining, and I already, now I'm gonna face the right side to the right side, and this side I have is 7 inch by 11 inches. I want to sew a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. You're gonna sew around, but I suggest you to leave about 2 or 3 inches open, so you can mark the line. So a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance, sew it here, so all the way down on the bottom, go up to here, leave this open. For everyone, after I sew on this for the body of the box and this one for the top, you're going to press all and inside out. Go to here. This is going to be very good box for your sewing room for many use. Clip this together, everything match. A lot of people like to use pin. Feel free to use pin. I have people come and question me like, how come you're not use pin? I'm like, what? Okay. Alright, so go on this side. You're gonna do exactly the same. Make sure the sew line meet right in the center together like that. You're going to sew a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. Same thing to the main fabric, the main side. You're gonna do same thing. A 1/4 of an inch sew that line, a 1/4 of an inch sew this line. Now you're gonna mark 5 inches above the opening space, and marking the other side too. And after that, you're gonna connect this points that you're going to sew the dividers. And so now top stitch around the other side all the way down to the 5 inches and stop. Leave this opening space open so we can feel something in there. I forgot to tell you after I sew, but anyway, so the 5 inches here connect to this side, and then you go on to sew the line. I forgot. That tell me I'm human right there, right? Okay, so sew the straight line, and you still have this right here open. So after I sew the line, remember this line right here, you're going to leave it down to the right. Now you're gonna fold this in half so you can mark on the top here. Everyone, after I sew on the main side, this side too, and then this the lining. The lining I leave it here open. So you're going to press all the sew line and everything. And then the main side, I'm gonna bring it and then press on the sew line like this. Press it around. The main side right here is already half the center. You're gonna place this here. Usually when we sew the right side facing the right side, but I'm doing this one so when it hang at the table, it will show the main side and the lining are different. So place it in the center where you mark in the center of the sew line. You're gonna clip this too, and then we'll do around it. We'll go around. So now it's like this. This is too long, so you can roll it up like this and bring back this side. You're gonna make sure the opening space facing to you, and then you're going to put this back, this one, the right side, with this side facing to you where the opening space. So make it easier when you're inside out. Place the right side to the right side, and now when it in here, you're gonna make sure it's staying together, and then you go on around, make sure all the lining in the main and also that piece is staying good right in the center. A quarter of an inch seam allowance, you're gonna sew around the top. Alright, so on the top, you're gonna inside out. Sew the space together. You're gonna go around on the top before you stuck that inside. You're gonna press around. You flap it down like this, and then you go on the tops that are around the top. So everyone, after I done sewn tops that are around the top here, and this is the basket and the opening space that we have left the space right here. I have the bean, and I'm going to put it in here. Take your time. You can use all kind of different bean you want, or you can use, I suggest you to use bean because bean can hold this in place for you. So take your time, just count them if you bored. So fill this up, but not too full. So when I fill this all the way, not all the way, but just about, when you feel it good, it's good, like this, you see? And now on this area right here, you can sew. Like a pillow, and then you can let me just do it like the pin. You can pin all around, and you need the pin. You can take it from here, or when you're done sewing, you can put it back in here just like so. And it's a lot of pin that you can put it in here. If you have any picture that you don't like, you know, the person that you don't like, put it in here. So adorable. Look at this. I am finished, and I left it on the side of the table with my sewing table, and it's hanging up in here with the pin. It's so cute. It's heavy, so it won't fall down. Plus you're gonna leave the fabric or any thread that you done sewing, and you cut, and you can just drop it in there, here and there, and then after that you clean all together. And once a while you clean, so that way you don't need to clean all the time, little at the time. So you can just put in there. Anytime you cut, you just throw it in there. Thread, you cut, throw it in there, and then you collect them once a while. Isn't that so cute? And it's easy to make. Everyone watching my video will be able to make 1, 2, or 3. Give it to your friend that sew. They're gonna love this. You know, sometimes we're seamstress or people who sew, they don't have time to make things like this. So make something like that and give it to them for gift or for anything, just like that. Or you can put the clip on that too if you want. That is that, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for the people who support my channel membership and who donate to my channel, and the subscriber always come and watch my video. Your support means a lot to me, and I really appreciate your kindness. Love you. Stay safe, everyone. Take care.